Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Creating a Discord bot using Python can be a fun and educational project. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of setting up a simple Discord bot using the discord.py library. This library allows you to interact with the Discord API and build powerful bots. Create a Discord account. If you don't have a Discord account, create one at discord.com. Create a new application. Create a bot user. Copy token. Open a terminal and run the following command to install the discord.py library. Create a new Python script, example bot.py, and use the following example code. Replace your _bot_ token with the token you copied from the Discord developer portal. Execute the Python script. Your bot should now be online. Test it by typing ping or greet in a text channel on your server. Congratulations! You've created a simple Discord bot using Python and discord.py. This is just the beginning. You can explore more features and functionalities provided by the discord.py library to enhance your bot. ChatGPT.